Yeni emrenka so. Na so ahwe ya amanye nti. Akika memra so asiyesini. Oh. Akama yesa mo pai. Akwada hu dachi ananani aje. Opani twanani anani raho. Mara hu sempa na mikai. Mintam kesia na mi bosu. Memranti bre moment ya futu. Elamina minyo. Mranti mabawa mutieme. Akama yesa mudao. Akama yesa mupen. Sukuye mahufodi mikobi.
And then I pay time check 9 minutes past 8 o'clock. Maji Meja El Sompa Rhapsody 106.5 FM. When you say it's Nasadia, nature say a nyansa named dear, the boa wajini, a boa brabo. Now ututu a number ye, and no anema and ne yet nasi. Na ose akodere hunda chia. Na naniaji opanyin de ya ka wana ne raho every say ade bi wo ha na ankense se wo ye nso waye ya tra si de na nyansa nko Rhapsody ana Sompa Rhapsody eye nimde ni nyansa bi ya de brewo maka kire wo se obrei se ebunes ni sinia enkoyi obi nyansa bi ya wanya abrabum se wutie bia etimi bo edindan abrabo e ma na motuo ekoso the ampa futuo no na abrabo enye fe ne da chenso enye fe opanyini bi a wahia akora bi e ka chene se hwe hu yi a na obokoko Enti semeni yakosia etnase el Sompa Rhapsody so 106.5 or say a market ya paya na ya de dindan madwene watenka na wanya obremu nyansa na wate asese obrei ye mu ni biere biera we live life with a purpose. Now chimanyina ne month nyina a men's month me no emano me na emano de ene makacha me rese me bosu nyame makwama obufukura amaka me mbo akoma me ile na eboko bosu me ye me bosu me bosu me mbo akoma me ntua henso me didi e wose me rehwe me na omari simiye me ire ade bia wona beto momo amema ndo ni abre ye hu amane we June the month for men na bosumi me the program special pa na ebro ma bomoden a de mema kukudam ena ebeba enne ba ko studio ha a great man Papa me no over 30 years ago when I was a young man on when mobia or nyansafo a you don't abandon their relationship makosuande maba I never left him. Every day nyansa wono o kotra classroom a winya da this man wa bin seja let me a small boy of me opanyini na opanyini for opanyini ese se obre hwase ese obre hwase sa no for me my friend am say hey my father o ka say ye nyina ye wajan mo ye honkofo etuyefo ye honkofo edindan abrabo he is a man I love so much and he knows it. Na mudo. He listens, he opens up. Na worry that they are Prof. Interne. One ye be dinko. Wa worry be 38 years, echo 40 years. O worry 1 year pause wujai. Obi from me papa, me dem abre. I don't know idea 6 months. Bibi how are you? 38 years of marriage and men be dinko. How did he marry for 38 years? How? I don't understand. Obi worry 6 months na mabre na na me ya na metia me ya na ore ba ko na mabre ka onu tum na tie nyansa ebeba 2021 census na chia sen crofo a aware ya ja bebrebe won separate bebrebe. What is wrong with you? Hey, tie nyansa nim dia ama afofra ware o ma brabo asi wo yie. Na o to pressure ma hododo. Enta no pai mene ekosua tenasna ekosua ne papa so no ekosua de ehunu se ye sister no ekosua se papa no. Enti ekosua
Prof
no mene wa papa.
Aye.
Efa no David Elder David Okonfo ameni. Mene wa akoni fi hoda.
Aye yako.
Oh. For nipa aba no ekosua ni. Man for be ekosua ni na.
E mam say ye program be craft for married and the singles. Aye. Ne koyi papa.
Enti ebusa for papa ye fa no David Okonfo ameni or elder in the Church of Pentecost. Now,
yes.
We the elder for years. Papa Areta. And Agosia.
Say elder they retire na.
And I
some they must retire.
65.
Oh sir. Oh okay.
Now we know or your marriage counselor or your father or your husband or your brother or your friend. Because I want him. Ariba come home nipa.
Yeah.
Obi oha of full level we are rumbu nipa. But not this man. He's worked in the bank, Ghana Commercial Bank for years.
Wow.
No penny wareta. But me just ohano after me. Hey, na opanyi man say I say bra yeah ni fu, many fu. Na makoho. Now I'm bombing quite to
yes, papa. Oh yeah.
And then David Okonfo Akaba.
Yeah.
Because for the next 5-10 minutes, and they say,
okay,
man, your man Akaba.
Daddy, I'm Akaba.
Yeah.
And congratulations, 38 years
38 years
of my worry for 38 years.
Yeah,
it hasn't been easy.
It hasn't been easy. Nyadia, na Papa Mami Musa o worry no. Na unim say obe worry ache say.
Seriously speaking. Me worry. You might be very close to my
okay.
Now I needed a divine intervention.
Okay.
Even how to make a choice was a problem.
Say who can say be oba we na say be ma we na be worry.
Oba we na me worry no na say oba we na me worry na your problem.
Adentia.
Yeah, na emma wondering say me dey sorry ya na etu so.
I go say where deep.
But did maka.
So say Bible say okay. Na member obey man ne seso boafo ama.
Okay.
They so making sure say nipa ko a wo worry no or ye was seso boafo. And who knows that woman better than God?
Auntie, Elder, the wo can say, Nyankopon asem say, Bema no beba wo seso boafo oye ma wo.
Yes.
Ba wo no wo ye nipa. Wo be de hu say oba wei ono na be ye me boafo papa a wo se fata me.
On your fake.
When you fake. And now omekati with destiny short.
Omekuntam.
We see onyadia wo no behu gise nyamenti e no na ama na ye den ama wo.
Yes.
Na e ma no hu bia be miensa bia na wani gi wo ho ade say because na me kai say na me tie Joyce Meyer e woni ni kru na ware for 50 years. Or ni kru ne say sa bre na wa hia ma 5 na wo hwehwem. Se emudie hin na nyame pese oware papa wo so hia be miensa bia na mienu bia na say eya ama na ye kofia na ye bi uhu bibisa na
Mishia ba. Emma me to one na mo.
Okay.
Me a manko. But me catch him mama.
Okay.
Uhu na wani je hu no. Wa mo na mane ba ko bo maame amane.
Nti ma me to one na mo.
Wow.
Aka o kwa ko catch na wofo. No drew sa bro no so no. Ena mo ko kasa chere ne say onko Eurano ni presiding elder ho.
Wow.
Na the presiding elder no give me papa na nam no so na papa so na obeye Christo ni.
Okay.
Takwade na e wo no na ohwe o head teacher.
Okay.
Lotime bo a dark school hall, Emma Diachi. Nam papa, or can ya me asem children, and now obey a Christian.
Right.
Tia bank and you transferred by her as a head teacher. No be a presiding that was brought assembly na a rather one.
Right.
Timma may a cohort, no so I mean for her na many papa go can once. Into a quiet, not in the can once was a catcher kwame say on train. Go to me pa. No nim sanya metifa.
Obi e woni ma bai wa no. Na se presiding anti onnim no. Etu ma me call no no ho. E no kete se on kan kire wo se twen kakra. Na se onnim bibi a wonnim.
Me ma warrior. Ma wa me ma me wo me ni ma warrior de e divine.
Ni nyina na nyame nsa wom.
Yam fam yanto obi.
Okay.
Ye wo me. Na ma me eda ho ano o think as obi ana onyani kire se obi aba ho. No be ka kire ne se obey ye be friend no okonfo.
Wait, no boni di
answer na wo no.
Wow.
Iti oto mi din sa no. Na ma me say you okom papa no bi san say na wa be dem o say dem. Obi aba ha be trouble friend.
Hey.
No so to din say so to say your friend okonfo.
O say friend okonfo.
No say iti nwumre no na elders ni bi ba ho. Eda Simons no money takra de elders in penifon bi ba ho. Obugo mo tie say wa won nti no ma me awon to ba ho. No ma me papa e kasa ni kire won. No get so okonfo dia, mo fa David in kan ho.
Anti Dina Shasian no, so your Kofu dia yemfa David in ka ho. Anti ne be David Okofo.
Yeah.
Wow. It would be a new papa cram the two di. Wow.
It don't can now so can.
I quite na me busa say eyi enti o ka kire elder na kan say there be twen kakra.
On say ya na o ya brantia o feel say me na me hu ababa wa me na me ware.
Montie
say me na me peno.
Me na me peno. Ye wo na o ko ware. But me no. Ma me ka kire me say Kwame. Unuanum nyina betima ware oba omope. But wo de me gidi say nyame no wapam. Emabusuan.
Wow.
Nti oba me mpene so no.
Menware no. Eti papa de wo kan se wo ya brantia na sa baba won wasi so na afi na apese wo ware a wo no menka se me no we na me pentie ka bibia kire wa wo ntie se bia we na me pe no eti wo no abo wadwene po se ono na wo pe eti no obi aka bibia kire wa wo ntie nemom nya abotire ne busebusa mu kakra tie kakra because we no senka ebi anka wa mo maame amane na wo maame ankwa busa presiding elder no a enka wo hu no na wani gye no na wo call straighter enka bi anko no na aware no esune bi ada che beba be problem ama
akebe problem pa sanse mi hu sa bayo na aware na mi hu abrabo a na oni be ma
no elbow
so
wow
tu senka we nanka we be ye okufo when in amani huru part 1 and 2 ka ware na
I say him say papa omomi no the current year
na year a na ware 38 na
how did the two of them meet mushia
ekwambe na mpo
opening what I make earlier on
yeah
say ma make say onti ma me ware obi ake
yes
tina heading
okay
my sisters ni na sorry say omunti me nko an omunti ma me ware oba bia keke.
Wow.
So they started looking out for some women to them no on feel say they are good. Yakoha na pim yakoha
na pim
yakwa rebi ho krampo. My sister said that's what me say me ko ho say me hwe no de me hwe no me ko ye me hwe na me si o I happened on any man, men look at side. Or see your wife. I buy you a no be kunukura when you move.
Hey! Wow! I buy you na. wo sister de ko kire senka ware no no obi kunu kura wo
Because what I'm picking, what I'm picking from what the the choice to marry, no, be careful. It's not just your choice.
No,
my fufro.
Emblem.
My experience have taught me, sir. You see, when you meet that woman, wow, I'm making choice. You are overwhelmed by love.
Yeah, one na open no. Akono na di kan.
My red flags in your making a crowd. It's what we need to.
I don't need dopamine. No.
Yes.
Ana de here. Prince, I don't need dopamine. No. Dopamine na fa utim. It won sha ba bia.
Where your wisdom?
Yeah. Wakono no wasoro.
Onu nso kura o hwe mu a hu ni photo.
Because I will let you.
Obi a me hu na me o send me card ya me da na card ne da me boso e na me deda me say ya na ma chia card no
also yes
I five power door
oja o pencil
e dia say de una mojam
Yeah, we see
na uni papa mami musa elda mfa we ho yenim se tete no se o upe se wo ware wa busua bi mu a wo bebo maame no papa mane a na reverend wo makọ efie ho omo ne koye bisa ma wo mo ne kodoso mu hwehwe abusua no yare wo mu ana abusua no mo ya akromfo ana wo mo ya adwama mofo ana wo mo ya atrofo ana akromfo bi wo mu ana wo beye sa ade ne nyina mawo no wa ba bebo wa mane se da bi sa abusua wo yare wo ma kyere wo mu abufu wo mu emema ne wo mu ne nhwe ma ema ne wo mu nso ya adwamanfo na oma bekanti enye pefoforo papa enne social media era ye free mia ye share bi po Facebook ye share bi wa wo koshia wo kura bi kura wo nkran ma me wo kumase e bi kura wo kumase na ma me wo Eastern region e bi kura wo hana o ma me wo parents wo Northern region eti wo de ne se e o mo fra wa na nada be na ade obi be ba be ware o mo de ane se omo daba na aba ware omo musa eni ade enti papa young people na omo ba no elder ebe ye dey no matime investigate because ade no se akoye social media ye current yi me hia no okwan ho a me hia no school mu university ye do ye ho yakoka we love each other makoko hia no asore mabo asore mpanifo amane ya ye counselor ye hwehwe mu kakra na ye se mo ye but shawu die se de mu si take time Honti nyese ufiti pekwa na wo jump into marriage. Eti nyanwa wase wa ware for 38 years because wo to obo ase. Ye investigate ye hwehwe mu a kopim senti wa ware ye kra check kakra. Ansa na wuram enne elder ye be ne dey social media right.
Oh say. Aware. Wa we asori awokono. They have a role to play.
Right.
Awofo have a role to play.
Right.
And one case also what role to play.
Right.
And they say, when you order your banner bar, and have to be man bar,
right.
There's a need for the parents to investigate. Omoshishim. Pa. Me baba worry. Now get born is a nefe bi wakosumbo, nefe bi wakofodia. Me swami yako hoyina.
Obano. No, se ne fa bi wo he.
Obema no. Ne fa bi wo kofodia.
Obi be ware oba. Ana.
Eti menye meyere any other people ye kokofo ye ko akosombo. Ko bisa nsem kakra ko hwe asetirem hwe fio hwe se ne wa setira te. Esuma ma okokofodia ho so ko hwe mu.
Oba ba be ware. Yes, investigation. O kan be ma na oba ware ba bi o free no. Okokofodia ho nyina. Ko busa mu so o mute.
Yes.
Wo yes adwuma no.
Yes. Me ba be ware me yere. Me ba be ware me yere. Masebe ma. Oyo so fu peniu. Okomi krum. Me ni share you bisa me questions. Okomi krum komebusu enfie. Ekobisa se obi wo ha ye fe na ameni. No se ai. No se ni subanti saying bisa mase esande echireja osofo ohwe sa akuro no so emo ye further investigations about me.
Wow.
Oh say wo worry
we are joking
now uko share obi wo baby ya so me worry anything na na ma form about my warrior
and channel wonim babusua kura onim ne history one past be bia onim he no an say we love each other
feelings nkwa
feelings and odo won ti ase because wonim be man no ana wonim oba no wonim ne weaknesses wonim ne strength. How do you love such a person? Right. How can you love such a person? Just by divine choice. Just like mine was a divine choice.
I had to say Joseph ne married you know o chu mutai I say onyam so fa wa and divine and the oya hu hwie nye
mama say ntia me can say divine say after my try enemy sisters not trying more than 25 I do one better.
Wow.
Hey.
Yes.
Eti wo che yo.
Oh yes. Me
brother how so wa ware ya che.
No. Wow. He who loves last loves best. Yes. Me brother penny grad with the 50 years I said no worry.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
So, and you know, me yeah for them.
We are get the machine and the me how or come up on one where did you mean you see
one pioneer
you listen one gave you a machine per head get hey boy be a machine we share the 6 packs pa so TikTok and say me am ha no what did you mean or shan atade no na what the susu obi na say one day for
obi here 21 days what one na maybe
na prof me because I would that you the future you see him say youth na ya ban ya fa ware tra
very much
but papa your destiny
very much
because nipa na wo kofa no de na ba be kan ho no it can make you or unmake you.
Yes.
But I'm
one
were you praying about? My 3 things are now about
3 things I was praying about. One, said the Lord should lead me to a woman. Make him now boom abobra.
Onyame fa nko oba ubetimi na bobra ma na siwi.
Yes, I contest you. That phrase is very yes, I contest it. A long haul and your bra.
Yeah.
Also, only bet my bob brow.
Only bet me about brace and yamin lead no.
Yes.
On yamin fanning quote said the Abraham or payere. Edia man the ba Isaac Noah or Suma ye bomb pie man say. Ninyamin no ending and nimukai. Na ko anu so dru ho no so bomb pie say rade say oba obedi kan ba. A obesen so ama me asa bia ma me donkeys no. Aye say no no nye ono.
Right.
Uba me fia.
Oh, say a crab or be different.
Yeah, very good.
Say, Oko Wario be a on penny pa.
Because yeah, did you hear that?
On penny pa.
1 penny pa.
Ebema, de Yamedia dum edum.
Wow. Montio, so Oko Wario be a on penny pa.
Or ya here,
dear Onyamedi man, Bemana dum.
Nessa elder, no nim near Upo.
Aye.
Apart from sending a divine, now one as a person, so no, wouldn't the open go, no, as a wouldn't him. Say, Upeni pa, Wabusian for per wasem. It will worry, Wabusian for Bebefio. It will pay or bar or you beer or penny person or bow baby in a puno, Ediamani pa. Because Paul bow no I am minimi krunkwa, how it you catch in, I miss only due to a bar or also be.
Christoni also a love one I catch now what was so many pan I never feel
eti elder who ye Christoni eti na wo say umpe obi a wonye Christoni
simple as that
I won't free Christo fee
I won't free Christoni to obi o ye Christoni o free Christo abusu
you conquer all the demons for you then
enti nya afa na akofo obi ono no sunsum foforo bi na ne ye adwuma no wa be ha wadwene
emote your son
wako bind dey afi na wo bind dey afi na wo ye na
we need time for that
no
we need time for
wisdom is talking here tune in
na when asama elder kanyina de ama me ho adwiri me wa ha sa 3 prayer points no mo honamu niam bi animu
baba onufu baba na chi efe baba na honam efe I was a hunu ahedi
o say prayer point now and na papa prayer point so all boni nyina so ya ade a ebetimi alter our life.
Oh yes.
Ebetimi asesa wo shebre. Because nipa no enya Christ is to me and asa ne honhom na tini mu a. Ene e kye say demon bi na di ne ye adwuma obeha wadwene. But say nyame honhom tini mu a woni ne nyina with the same scale, the same page. Eti anya bia wo ya ade enya kra nkonkro betimi a convict na.
Exactly.
Say hey because say mre bia em say me ye bibia em say aunt ne wo mi kura nim ma so ya homache be bompaye. Mama me so yeah da was ra me so ko kra
tumo
kone kopa ukruche wanza na waba kone kopa ukruche wen no antie na siye no anza na waba shempa bo no ase wa na jame ko e be men ne because ma me pacho me bible the ye because say I have the Holy Spirit in me. Enti o ma me fa me hu ni obe convict me. But se nipa no nye Kristo ni anyame honhom te ni mu a honhom ben na fa ni mu eye ebi adwen honhom eye ebufo honhom eye demon of pride bi na woni mu ebi a demon of lust. It is an lust no me ye na de kwa na enya lust na be ka chense na ate ye dey kofo oba foforo because there is a spirit that is speaking to him. Sana me so se nyam nyame honhom na timi mu a me kru ye bibia o de we de be che no memfa nche no memfa but nyame honhom be ka chem se fa che eti prayer point na papa pri e kana e very very critical.
In fact your prayer point I just say and that's I go say as running commentary because it's very interesting. Ye mountain na abano ye mba na abano I am metaka say they focus on non-enduring qualities.
Adi eni hoda.
Mepe oba se be onfu. Oba ne chie kama. Oba ne kala te se. Oba na be mo te se, be mo te se. Be mo se obe ware ewie no. Me ne mo bi wa ware oba nufu. Eso pa. O ware 2 years na kokrom ababa akomi akotwa. Enti be mo se Sadie.
No, so opo na no fosusu.
Sadie na wodi weni to so no. Afade ni ni
wodi. Wari 2 years na kokramba ba ko.
Inti na se ekotwa no fo no.
Enti ekotwa ba ko.
Ti aka wan.
Aka wan.
En na se otena ho. Enti no fo nti na aba ya.
So.
Enti eda.
Yeah. Prayer point me answer. Wow.
Jena me can say. But the Bible passage we see many so.
Okay, kind man.
Proverbs 19:14. Or say houses and wealth are inherited from your parents, but the prudent wife comes from the Lord.
Hey.
So, it is a whoop or power as we say, ready.
And Japadi edija.
No.
And then Yamina demo.
No, yeah.
It is a whoop or papa warrior ready. Because I say a prudent wife comes from the Lord. Onyame na demma
nyame
inesa wo de ho koto watenka so e de ho to wankasa wonyansa so a wo be kwa kofa de emmoa wo hyebre.
That's right.
3 prayer points yi etiefo mu nsom wo ye babunu bi na wuti a preslam nyina mu nsom na momfa mobra ne efia mu nyina
me pese osan bo
e boss verse no so no ma anya
e da boss man
e wi na repeated 3
Proverbs 19:14.
Yeah.
Or say a journey na bit mama bi ase japade nyina na oyire pade ofi urade
na che sa ope oyire pa
efiri urade ho
efiri waja ho efiri maame ho consult God.
Oh, I'm not being too spiritual.
Yes,
but a person being who said
yes
say o person ware ma o ware etintimu a ni su obanu su ne ban no is influenced by some spirits. And those spirits should come from the Lord.
It's a free nyame honhom.
Yes.
It is a usre nyame ho. We dey kan kɔ no ho ansa. Na say papa, who my hu said the moment a baba would trim say, "O pesa o ware no." The first point in a prayer.
Prayer. And
they na dikan.
En fa ndi agro kra.
Erade mame
seriously.
Erade mame oba papa.
Yeah.
Obetimi ne mabobra.
Yes.
First prayer point no okan no.
Enye bedi wa.
Debi
Bedi wa. Bedi wa says oba bedi on the dia
bedi wa we anoko
esa na oko
deep things
ya wa mema bedi wa ho
Omo hopa.
E mema bedi wa.
Ai.
Onzo bedi oba ni sika.
Ai. Ono no ohwehwe oba Oscar. Ni fie ewo bi. Na che say okita djuma papa.
Yeah.
Yeah. They say yes aware no ba you.
Obedi diako.
Obedi diako.
Obedi usika.
Obedi diako.
Akosi na pese and a boy back on so ha. Akosi ba kwa. Ya pese se no ye share maame no. And I catch him mama say obeware no. Se wa ware.
Papa mami min samra.
Mama chi o se na ye kra mi share oba no.
Okay.
Mifi prayer camp no buy no.
Na pese me summarize your prayer point no. Ema obi a wo ti bia.
Okay.
Number 1. Obi a open na bobre beboa wo.
Ene ye 1.
Open na bobre beboa wo.
Okay. Life no bubrao.
Ai.
Enye ye di agro ye bobra.
Ye bobra
Purpose
wo ho.
Fish wo ho.
Enye bedi wa.
Mission wo ho.
Obi a butaya nyame eda wa bra boso no. Woni ne bebo akosi.
Enye reckless life.
There be
ye bubra bi a enim say free ya. Ye ko ha. Enye structured. Purposeful.
Enye obi a nyame afro se be ye sofo bi ko wiase na sofo die no wadwane.
Okay,
I say you obi a ebi a dachi Presla be lecture na be wa na afei ade achi wonye depression nti wonti me mechara de.
Oh sorry
ade ya be man etiti ni.
Be man etiti. Hello sir. And Dr. Presla, please, I want to understand question 2. What do you understand? What do you understand? Me Prof. Because Dr. or the Dr. about.
Enya noa.
Okay.
Me pe obi a.
Obebu bra.
O me bebu bra na kosi awie ye.
Goodness.
Enti me hyebre da me so no o mesai no.
Okay.
Sa sofudie hyebre na da me so o mesai no.
Wo ba mu ase meja me.
Se adekire dia o mesai no. Se ye radio adwuma o mesai no because papa me sisu me hia ba ma bia na o se obeware me a oso be mu meja radio adwuma no.
We are. We are.
Imagine say meja radio biti we. Imagine say
wisdom is talking here.
Imagine say papa me akosi agwagwade a menya radio. Papa yare. But we see me o mama meja radio no wabie shop no akwa no. Enti de wo hyebre na da wo so no. Woni ne bebo abom de to so mienu. Obi a ade ehia wo hia no. Second ade ehia wo no ehia no. Elder say ono no na busuanfo penasem. Ope efie busuanfo betimi aba ho.
Okay.
Enti no wompa oba a ompe nipa. Oba wo ya ahia. Enti opa oba na se be ma ade ehia wo no ehia wo no nso. Sa wo pa o maame no papa asem a ono so be pa o maame no papa asem. Ade ehia wo no hia nipa. Sa wo pesa wo wo a ono so pa wo.
Katon so kora ha.
Wo pa wo a ono so pa wo. Wo pa adwuma a ono so pa adwuma.
Yo.
Ade a woni gye ho no fi sa papa.
Complementary.
Ewiase ade a eya no sa ade a woni gye ho na wo partner so o ma wo nya. Ade a woni gye ho pa wotimi say we ni a de fulfillment bro but o partner so o ma wo nya. Woni gye nyamedwuma ho pese wo pese opem o se wo mpe. Enti bompa ye ka kire ade obi a ade a mani gye ho no ono so ni gye ho. Na nkoba so no nti ade amani gye ho mintimi nye and at the last prayer point no obi ane ne honhom nyina ya pe ono no oye kristoni eti wo pe oba
nam ha just spirit ni divided
so we traditionalist akofa traditionalist
akosi o bompai kafa do mane no bezu to ho na oye
chamla no o chanti
I don't see you high and or chanting.
Debbie, etidie sunsum gidie mu no woni ne yepe.
Yes.
Ugidie mu nti faith here. Ugidie mu no compatibility wo ho. Gidie mu no faith. It mean to me papa say we a Muslim may advise you say marry
Muslim.
Fair Christiania
Christian
we are traditionalist here. Our traditionalist. It's man so twi bi ani ho. Na me kwa asoro so ko bosom so. Can you imagine?
Oh, but us not all picos ya.
Mikotia offering and tight. Mikotia offering and tight. I was a former man and Mikoto to Ponche the Ama.
Kwaku freezer me fa go see creative bra. O create now we aba o be say go see now be no. O better na pine.
Eti GDA no compatibility when it comes to faith.
Yeah.
Say nipa no ye Christonia, ono so ye Christoni. Ofi Christo abusuam. Eti mo nyina nyame nkonkon ti mu na otimi nso mimu. Eti obetimi akonvert eti nyina ye honhom ye baako.
Right.
Eti eno ne prayers me ensa okobo ye.
And you fe den na o ka che no.
Na me combine.
Kobo mpa ye na ba ye.
The first Saturday me cook room.
Okay.
Me cook room na me share madam Fubi. Also yeah Pentecost in your Mary Villas.
Right.
Also, I mean my show sir, I'm so sir. I'm saying. Also me be wedding.
Okay.
Those days also no be your wedding na emudua. Me my MC am your best man.
Just why a popular guy.
Very popular. That's why I had difficulty in choosing a wife then.
Right.
Everybody coming closer to you. Or bank, you feel it's a prestigious job. So to identify herself with you, gives her sort of
pride,
that kind of thing. But that woman told me, oh, me person me here where the person be MC mommy.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. Okay, remember. The time was it was 2 weeks after.
All right.
And look at so put up.
Now MC.
MC. War reception, I say.
Okay.
Right.
Then so talk until Pastor Ajabin a farm or Hono could see me walk on soon. I'm dropping at the coin.
Right.
Until where the IBB Miami MC, and I was moved by the spirit. I don't know what happened to me. I walked straight to the maid of honor and told her, I'll marry you.
Maid of honor, no, oh, yeah.
Wow. Just one apple be anymore now. What I say?
I just walked to her and said, I will marry you.
Maid of honor, no my wedding now call MC, you know. Now, movie, MC, no, you MC, and
yes, it'll be a year until you say, I will marry you.
Now, catching a mewaru, you say, a champion, there be mewaru, and Shokuna.
Or she made him uncover. You or say, Omo bomb pie about I front Arsenal. There was a prophecy that the Mumba could be worried within 6 months.
Wow. Also, because Eddie, I want to come is with normal bomb man, son. I release it. Nipana, oh yes, and I'm bomb like a cry.
Or the bar could be within 6 months, or no, so then a maid of Anna Noir.
Hey!
Yeah. If you catch it after the me peer, now my sister peer, now my sister so wedding I see, and I'm my auntie back also wedding I see.
Right.
O peer say, come who made of honor no. Now my auntie back also tibe, also dimika, come who made of honor no. I'm saying me no, also no dear way dear. Me think can pass or no any.
And you're now with dear papa. Hey, Rebecca,
would you believe that within 2 weeks? Within 2 weeks, I was talking to the father.
No, only the papa nekasa. You go home, papa.
Me corny papa.
And you cannot chance some woman. We're wasting the time.
Yeah, be. Because of hospital way. Because me call a week later, and I'm said the next visit in person be home, papa. Timbaya and then we need a coffee, papa. Maybe in the casa. Some questions in Bibia. Oh, yeah, no. I will not frost. Oh, a penny pa. Meaning, say, if meeting me,
oh, daddy.
The late moderator of Presbyterian Church of Ghana. Very Reverend D. Cranting, late.
One no, never. Now,
so if you are war, Osu, you without even looking round. No, I say on our wedding, there was a could do me if you want to hear one. He saw that some force.
I just Obama, no, waste it. I
just said,
may wow,
you being directed by the Holy Spirit. So you for her, see her.
Yeah.
Oh, so
straight away. Oh, so be him.
Such an born in time.
Yes.
Oh, I can money say, oh, coffee or say, we may call daddy, Namajano,
baby, wouldn't himself fano,
may call Warreno
to me, corner papa was straight.
Johnny, because we are no frost. There, some few minutes later, no friend, a banner, some umbra, or myself. Oh, Dave kwa yeah my driver no konkusi no.
Say nothing.
Oh, the mechanic say oba person warrior. Oba no. He or she is overwhelmed by love.
Akono na fa no.
Na dream and you dream say the nipa dream here. It's clouded with love. Oh, me peno. Akono feeling. Oka so nko bompa ya. You hu no na openo no.
Eno a na na bi wono so.
Everybody. Ba so me bompa.
Enti wa wo ye parent no. Ese wo mum wura mpa bom yie. Now your investigations ye. Send a beya. Ube was a choice in our banner a correct choice.
Right.
And yes, sir, Ujana or the feeling a be worry. Now feeling also so sad. Now I will go and
Right.
Sa kono sa na aware enso asa.
It say obey okay, open so wider feeling. When na kwakota 2 years 3 years the ohwe nyina wahu the open nyina won saka afei de get say odon na efe ne say asetena no mu eyi no oh just say one hwe ya na say odon akosi baby fufuro say you look elsewhere for another woman you're fine
Eti papa wo ka se ye nyina tenka so nware de
dabi Sunday na wo ka love me ntia si o
eya tenka
Ako say what asem ka no.
ye wo si ye nyina tenka so love na nya love no mo te
feeling no was see.
Udon
onto odon na se
Odon ya dey.
Opa odo bi a mane yare nda ho a sebi o na wo dressing
wo
dressing no
o
jano hu na wo
na obehu say
odon ampa
ene papa we dey papa mama elder different o ma ye hu sunsun e da akono no ene odon ntem say emebu na aba ne de ene me dono
oso da akora fa
enti papa
hwe
na eno na edi enya no
se obe ware bia who say you are committed to that relationship.
So first is
commitment. So commitment is very important. Wow. No matter senior otifa, you are committed to that relationship because you know said this is a woman or this is a man God has given me, and it's my duty to make the marriage work.
Nessa papa de wo kan say me hia obi na me ka se nipa we na me ware no a anase nipa we na me dom no a na chese ma embrezi bibia de eye wom de enye wom ne mmereye na hoden me fa ne nyina nti se eye ahoden ko ho na me fa me hu bibia wo ne tososo eyi wo ska eno na me hwe na me se me dom no a eno no nya odo de wo ye committed se nipa we ne de eye life and death.
Yes.
Yemi enu no ye be fam eti sa wonya wadwene saa de na nya odo ho asam na wo kan ya atenka.
Hwe enka tete no na omoto nwum bi wo radio mu o se me do senia wuti yara senia onyame bo wo ara onfom so na wusu ban nyina chi no me do senia wuti yara
o te nyuma na komotie
yeah
emergency
so eti no ne mfom so
ne mreye
eni bibia chi no
odo ti wonya krado so be embrezi nipa ne mreye niema e wono ho a enye de anya odo ho asam na wo enko
san say onye hwe every human being is imperfect
nipa bia
wo weakness
obia wo mreye
na
say papa o party se nyina yare o
obia wo mreye o so na nyame nim say samre oye no you can tolerate
say wo betimi
Jesus
obetimi Pentecost for you was a more de ma so ami asenua onyame nim say metum nyame nim say obetimi asoa ne mre oye no wo betimi a15 ama wetimi tolerate samre oye no nti nyame de na ma
eti won fa na ho de nko wode ne mre nyina na wo eti wo ware obi a wo ware ne de papa e wo ne ho ene ko ne wo ne ho
na ho de ne chese ne bibia
then say a man for swear I'm going to take you oath of you penny saying wedding as vows na also for better yana meti hodie me say nkofo nyansa bi ani wonti
mpanifo na kasa hello
for better say
na obra
oye nipa obeyare oye nipa obefom oye nipa obehwe ase
Is it then for better?
for better.
Ne ho betimi a kire no. Adwuma betimi ayi na bi. Obetimi ayare.
Yes.
Obetimi anyem na doctor so wona ho 9 months.
Why are we running away from realities?
I don't know. Wow. Ye nipa sa de me nyina fa nipa ho. So. Until say oh why na can say media for better. Na mo say e bia na.
Nkoye.
Adwenu nkoye.
Because enya yesu na wo ware enya bofo na ware wo ware nipa eti adenti na wo se nipa bia wo mraye enti ne mraye no nso wo ware ye no nso
say obi say midman no kan say west na ebe na ebe ba
enu cancel reality
na heaven na what asansi so amanfo anopa minim say me iri otie papa I was on say made it yeah so I am in my own fan Sompa or they are funny or they are on never pounds on a damage I say hey me boho
such an uncle YouTube na ye challenge kakra we Facebook by YouTube your live you YouTube
am from uncle YouTube
Sompa FM live
me say nyansa ya kire wo ha wonya ne classroom wonya ne babia we oya counselor wa counseling crofo awari bebre enti some o kan tie ne ye manyansa ne wo enkasa sa feeling no na me dono what am I yare yes I feel
so wo don wa
ana ma yeyin ne di fi adwumam
ana yehin na kakra
oba say odo ana yodo
David na ya tenka yenim dia ye kan papa youth no mu nim sama o mo kan no sa I love you no papa o ntiase o
because I think mama 1 minute this is the last question mama na o so na film na to aso papa what is the next question
dia mebusa ne say ebra wura aware mu no nyame adom ne papa abehwe ho ene ade finally mu ye bibia wie no a wo enter marriage no ede na na ye wo first surprise
obi say inti miampa na mini
papa mami replay question na me kusa say nyame ya adom na bibia toto ye divinely
nyame na de ma
I divinely orchestrated ne papa be hwehwew bibia koyie wa ya kom kire ay bompa ye wa ba wo yiri nie wa ye honeymoon bibia ye fine but enye bofo na aware no ware nipa enti o first surprise otimi say yes I have come papa as a Sompa yabo papa o first surprise no na yeah
when you Prof
yes sir my father
within the year no wedding no obi be chain flax be 3 or 4
okay
me huruma
na akwabai
I know I start you because what be 3 or 4
come on I worry ampa
because huruma da boom na pai ni ato atwene sa feel na wo mu na bo ni ato atwene na so why dey o se me huruma na na afi usu na me hage na say mensu
wow
so
o first surprise na e onwa so usun ya na sa flax apa ye na usun
flax apa no so
say onukwa bombe miensa say na
interesting experience wow and the way say what akosa won say han say elder nye obi a oye graceful eya tinipa se kakra
ya
ya fa na se bia na ere na sa na ote
ya
Ente wa balance ya o be say ma de.
Ai no
go bia no apa.
What flax me ensa. No ada wa drenye. Wa kunu kra.
This is very
she's so I know.
He embraced her.
We embrace her.
It's okay.
Mensu.
Wow.
We are more important than the flask. Even the I
was a Sompa very important. Obi and some grand first 2 months. And you did 1 year. Yeah, if you commission. No, blow the whole thing.
That was gracious. We embrace you, know.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Gracious.
No,
we are sure said you if you by now, but we are sure me never go have me if you.
Mrs. Ameni, Mama, Mama, it's your papa.
Next surprise now, if you mean
oh, the next surprise. Oh, say I'm married at the time I was very matured.
Right. Now when
you never be when I was expecting them in the marriage.
Okay.
Me papa winter when I was just 10 years old.
Okay.
It's the church. We got church. Sorry, penny for are the people I'm looking forward to. I'm not a monasia.
Right.
On what church we see the realities of life.
Right.
Obiti said, Pastor, the late Pastor Ajabing was one. The late Elder Cranting was one. The late Elder Atwadison was one.
And yeah.
The surprise is not there. The reason is that you had an inquiring mind. What do you know?
Wouldn't him say say ever?
Now the same thing happens to Obia or a learning mind. A junior, a padisian. And the more you expose yourself to additional, the less sensitive you become to people's mistakes. The more you open up yourself to learning, the less sensitive you become to people's mistakes.
And that's any payam from Swan and young one. Yeah, because him so any public. What do you do?
And you are mature. 19-20 years.
Yeah, we didn't know
19-20 years.
Maybe no, we did 22 years.
But me count.
But no, you were
the leader.
Yes.
Yeah.
He was the leader.
Yeah.
And on one own say, for example, they repair and on so ya crack.
Yeah, honestly, I cry.
Oh, honestly, I cry.
Baby plus baby.
Oh, but one no. And he met the woman at a certain level.
Yeah.
The near feet. So he won't do that. But Obi Wa, a friend won't be Kejagum.
Yeah. No, man, just say, one more sub you boy,
you look stupid.
Yeah. You are more a Jimmy Folk. I said, wouldn't Yans, I didn't say why you mistake. When him said, we any palm from so well.
Yes.
Next, Papa, what you wanna who near Jimmy say Nipa and from so Nipa when you answer worry.
No. Psychological preparations for marriage. Me say, Mesa Naba.
Okay.
Or second one. Or become preparations. People are not prepared.
Yes.
Let me tell you. And conform, sa abane da omonantem hono.
And one or pass satisfying.
Australia panager nemu ase kai.
E se me worry.
Ewrade hira me. My krado. Omoa. Ayanwa, you are mentally weak. Ebi wo ho a. Eniama aware de ban. Want to mean some. Sabi ono wana say bia me yankwada opanyi kwa jira say me yankwada me yankwada. Eno ne awa yan ne aware.
Debi.
Ose say me yankwada sabi o mpreduasa. Ose won adwene kwa atochima kwa.
Ombetimi ni obi ada. Yeah.
Yes,
nye no.
But the maturity to see say adie you know, say me the graciousness edishia. Say me the sensitivity.
Yeah. Ma menwene no ho, me gene asema be pie free ma no aba.
Exactly.
Me nko ka de minim say asem we me ka. Me kunu ebebubu no. Me yere ebebubu no. Eti me mie ma no nkasa keke. Me gene ansa na metu anamon. E na chesa we mature to marry. Me hu say oba na ye mistake, be ma na ye mistake. Ampa be ma no business no, investment no kwa enye. But ni state no wo mu no. Se minim na se me kwa ka bibi sa abre ya say na wo se wo kɔ no me ka che wo se manye minim se ebebubu no kra. Eti maturity be ma me hu say no there be. This is the time we hear me more. Eti me ma na hu say me do metiase ka brabo ho. Eti no de enye hwe sika no de sika kra se nipa kra ewu. Oh, send the pakure until the cashier said, no, you will say your beam. It is our encouragement, you know, Ebema wenya, but at that time, knows or on a vulnerable state. Or bano, why you mistake back, why you mistake me, you know, why you mistake me, I don't feeling like Sabio, so Jimmy. Now a horn won't so the job a gumbaye, and made the name Sabio, my what about what Jimmy sa. And two nim yan said the way, two nim yan said the way. Now Bema wouldn't nim say SS na Bema ye. Now wouldn't nim say we being cross over second. Wouldn't nim say SS or buy. Now wo your bano, now wo ya Bemano. Nasa papa wo bu cry.
Wasel
And one mind and you're mature for marriage. Only offer grace. Who was a nipper a one from so nipper one mere. A nipper betting ye now we are growing, papa. I dear woman, papa, ye and discover your home ye you. Until ye grow, until mistakes are also part of development. Until overshasi, no sorry, until sometimes a to be crowd shall see and now who answer. Uto formono and a man who answer. It is Sabrina meto formono. Now, as a sanka woman, Mesoka, and also woman with a kind of bar. Any ebeji jamia bubu media. Any na a beha jinti papa yebesle said a wokano. The fact is I will bear my timijina swono. And at the first I will your bow shape a fair who want no for and answer would median and no one unquantino. And my name will say, I answer me, yeah, I'm a affiliate. And not just over to me. What general psychologically, mentally, no, what generally mature because I'm a warrior.
Machia will be already 19 years. Or ya ba. I'm a catcher, say, oh, warenda. And you know, when you mature.
Not you
19 years. But we all general. Or you deep minded. My show been so already 38. Jimmy. It's maturity, no. And your aging quantity. Ye can't an inquiring mind. A junior a padisian. A quania ketua. But not Jimudo. When we answer pa. Eti very young, no matter. Obiswa when you and so sepi.
I dream ya tinkamunina. What do you think? Can be count the any and
Osafo Ekosia mommy and Ekosia se papa
many worry
free show ya or the abre afa yene and be wuram na answer na ye be call abano moment come say the program you know wonga esumasene 21st clinic sciatica one na opera watake or destroy what to two. Hey, almost my originator, PCTS commandant and researcher on sciatica. Sciatica is high area or yawana a free Usisimua edifa or twassing edifa and then to my call now. Now, what is said, be chum me or yano, and none is sciatica or more to twasia papa or more crat and try here run about. Tema behind pa, I was gonna have and say what I just say over it. A just hot kinky just bread and pastries eriaba. Almost a clean and hygienic preparation. Ball back when 3 cities. Way a to 4 ball. Convenience storage and delivery. Was it available? Event. Bulk purchases. Just a 2 now you acquire program be across for human dinner. Now, me say last week na my J made a second time majibi. Membano o my and yadwa. Tena me sanjibi. Sa kenke nya kenke na air fit and answer me ko he menam take time ko hu ba ko bi. Omo nine and na air fit more no. Hi. Ordinary tetium na nipa nine wa Ghana ha wo de e bia nan akofa. Enye me tetium. No air fit more. Ebi just hot kinky. Yes, I'm way. What they need clean. Announce you the nay trying. And the utina what the ball shit on a gin in it, Makone, a fence, a red fish, neck kahona, what you try gin neguso to meet a guso when you kick him a dear cow. Hey, Minister, me dear, me didn't ye. Now, more than enough from I was 02560 68832 02560 68832. Just Bakery, or more dummy behind Ghana Commercial Bank. Or say, make your kinky experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot
Minya baby from meeting to we can call me man chat to say
Omanfo me twa me ho tell me ba afi me ne elder me was structured systematic way ye bewuram mo amware ba ko mienu ena me ware 2 years ni aware kra me no me ho mabra sese no meti nyina so pa ena me de ntumi ho obi frɛ me ena papa ma ware say 3 years ni na de ayɛ me no me nyanka me wu me nyanka me jai unyai obi ya ware 38 years wana kan say ya ware sa baby nyabotra afi na wani beji aware no enti me ne eda etwa me ho tiawa me ba ya ape e be wuram e be he this was my opening story no you see you cut the long middle or ware be emfi be 5 6 10 years no then you see na ya he e die no ye ya aware achesa lessons ben eno e de mai enti omanfo enko ba bia lock the dial. I'll be back.
Now so called up on the same team, my name is there. We made the fine so my yeti kind bed yet.
Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot. Just bread and pastries is sick. Just hot kinky dokunua. Ye di yellow corn vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No more mutu dokunua montenso. And no mutu etono. Say dear. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokuna serve wa wo. Wo die frey. Na yen customizing amount. Se the wusi penny bia. Protein opese de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say, Obienim say, just hot kinky. And noa, and ye serve ya wahu. Just bakery, Ewodome, commercial bank in Chenwa. And to fraying, and was 025 60688832. Na yen customize your orders in the mount. Never serve what was said, we say pen pepe. Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And ye hot.
Yaba, I am Sompa Delight. Bro, Monday to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Oh, Nesha, so Frobi, Nobi, so Frobi Nakachani say Abna Ruthie. It was Sompa 106.5 FM. Or the Sompa Delight, bro. Thank you, baby.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesaki Kwampo.
Oyunyankupon di for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyankupon Reyawan what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home in TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nyankupon Kasa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Sompa First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yadrada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Numkusi Anopanunsia. Fawodanina Sheradinsa. Na erade beye.
Come on from a discern in your cry. Myself, can you offer me what you DCK now, woman? With my warning in a summer, Jama once a move for an amiss, and everybody abandoned me to you. My free me, mamma, my son, of fire, dear. Myself, you see, soon I mean, I'm sorry, pa. Bringing some money, try me photo, and some mamma to you. Let me swat them one I miss up. I
hold no anyone be your wife, Ababasa, Emma, and Yama be Ankoye, and Nemene, Elder David Okofo Ameni, one of the very seasoned elders in a church of Pentecost. Me catch us a Pentecost, eh? I saw him pay for Shimono. So what's your Pentecost? Nancy, we are now. Wabarabon see now also was some there. Yeah, no, we far seasoned elders in some. What a tea, 1 year kasa, 2 year full. And we have never met. Hey, I've never broken off from my elders. Many elders, seasoned elders, elders are with 2 full, or cast and patch it all. We all by of an eye. I always say, hey, we are seeing now, hey, and in paying for them. And that David Okofamani, on the end, eating about our hair, how to marry long, stay in the marriage. Now, and the answer I bet was, Martha say, will be the about YouTube, and that was for Facebook or YouTube. Will be said, can you marry? Can you use marriage as a tool of evangelism? Just say, will be an unbeliever. Now, a Christian, can you go and marry the person as a way of evangelism? The person,
yes and no.
Okay.
Yes, obey to me. So we be man or background. What me worry obia if you are led by God.
Right.
To worry obia or ye on ye Christian.
Right.
Na what me asakrano.
Right.
Na onukra bet me be ye juma class and wukra wo sakrano.
Right.
Meaning elder be water credit.
Okay.
Ne ye ne sakrano.
Okay.
No also be ye the trustee of the church. We need souls. I presiding of so many assemblies.
Wow.
I know that's what he has within 90 something years.
Wow.
Ye boni di watakra dia. Ye who say Papa we dia wa bwejuma.
Right.
Aba ye mofra na ye frɛ omo oni pastor Bamfo. Ye say Jimmy Cliff and Bob Marley. Ye rally no be gina ho a. Enwum keke etwe akra.
Wow.
And that was the only soul and ne no winning for Christ. And he was more than 1,000 people.
Wow.
So as soon as I would name so called Waru be now 1 year strong or so. Obakuno bit me at if you kiss to Marco Yasi. Now, Brabo no be boy, I want to go be Jawari, my Jani. No, I can say, so Christo say that Yame, 80 million nipa.
Right.
Sana, I don't know until that's ocean.
And the one other question about me Babako. Taid. Are there hardest seasons?
Yes.
Tell us a bit about them.
Yes. The hardest season I've gone through, finance.
Right.
There was once upon a time when I'm in math training in our university, and I had to pay their school fees and their hostel fees. But thank God, sir, you know, so they share at the train or pebre. It do some more shares, you, my name wife, you know. Tea liquidate your shares, you know. They do treat you more funding in our school fees. Any or more hostel fees. Any near make account where see a treat you in. And you know, how did they room? A business work, a big cramp, back cramp, a very a yipa. Ya de bia mekaya na me de nyame what the oye. We went through medical problems.
Right.
Me in your problem.
Right.
Emma me call hospital me ban. You do feel no. I had to carry her at my back.
Wow.
As I many read them. And I dry adam who say empane was so me share na oria. A person called washroom.
Wow.
Not all year for so I had to get
and pick her up.
So I'm a man so called in the coin.
So one will be or what atinka kakra.
No, it's sympathetic.
Exactly.
No, that spirit of empathy.
Exactly.
I just say, oh, you
wow.
Obey his car to us a J Fac hospital. So, wow. It's a idea be a hard drink. Wow. Just say, oh, yeah, there are difficult times in there. The Basosua, as Obo Homodin say, you stand up to the, tax ahead of you.
And I say, disagreements are in marriage.
Yeah.
How have you handled that over the years?
Disagreement with her.
Okay.
We say to say. We say see her. It happens. Here. Now me Manuko school or North Relation.
Okay.
And I was can't say year school fees, other fees for study fees. Let's carry doors on the door. I was paying about 2 point something million at that time. That's a school to HK bill for and that study fee. I say doors on the door. See me call pay school or Bema Campo. But why? Na Bema Campo dear. Hey, they say I should get for you come for you. You see the differences.
Exactly.
So, but I didn't take any harsh decision. Me twenya ma me timi ne kasaya ye na ezo kono omokono mama manko.
Right.
Tini kasaya ma fe de otiase ma one day kura me ne kofa.
Not just you were seeking to convince her, persuade
to
her.
Understand.
Not to fight her.
No.
Wow.
To understand the reasons why.
This is deep.
Many no me person mo friend ko. Because somebody told me say services no mpelifon man ko. So until no me yema say ho na me pe. And you know what the Lord did? One day you call hospital evangelism and it was 37.
Okay.
Me call him ko bomb pa ma woman bi. Na we na ye chene niema. Na me bi say na say na hefa no wo. Also no head teacher was services. So you see, school and now me pesa be makono. No mako share headmistress no. The headmistress no, eje me mofra no me ensa ni nyina. Ade na me 2.5. Afi na me 200,000. Na me pay home teachers and mom just to make even. Wow. That is how I was able to raise money to do other things in my life.
And catch them. The media, I mean, the first time I met you was 1995. Please, 1995 to now, how many years? 31 years. Papa, you have a say, Mehuno, Bayer, and Fear be a sabako, and you'll be a Lishiano one day, and to be in the pa, Namenim, ne values. And then they want Mama. Who say, yes, this is what has really also helped you.
Then they were
Mama, or your home. I won't say, and also now, Palma, worry. Met me for 38 years.
Because worry, Mama. Never pack and same view engagement in us.
Right.
I say, me bow worry in India. Or no, ha, or masum gate in a
Hey,
Ninian
may I tell nothing?
Ninian Mokwa, or no CC one time.
Or you're peaceful.
Very peaceful. Or you flag pa. Se what yan and answer. That's what you didn't talk about all the tea as soon as you
Wow.
Say, as I say, Uyiska, Eddie ye BB, then I assume ye beba. She is ever prepared to do it. If only she has it. She is a peacemaker.
One young ye.
No.
Now, no, but come to quack. And I met
Onim Akaye. Say, be can be no discuss or no discuss, and that's a 1 year, and a year, oh, yeah. Oh, Dave, yeah, you will cry me from to him. Oh, no, yeah.
Oh, no, Yaka.
No. It's me, I'm a boy fool, and you have to say you have to give me.
Wow.
So that has sustained the marriage.
Very peaceful person.
Very, very peaceful person. And another thing, Susan said, or you'll be a penny party make the earlier on. Me bush your phone in that you be feel. Wow. fridge ni freezer no ho no aduane wom opa no abi di
no me wura ha pa na che say aduane e ready o me me bay ye twa no mu horof
so it just say all my family members are welcome to my home. Wow. All her family members are welcome to our home.
And the 2 year for her obi wo wa wonya ware pa obi ani kunu obi che say ne mama fi o ma ne ma ne ma fi o ma ne ma na da pa fi o ma ne ma no den.
Oh say minim say insecurity o say the way the person was brought up ya na mentiase.
Right.
Say ebiana on say ya na me hwa ware mu din obi a ne kunu ana na yeti peke no.
Right.
Efi na nebusuam.
Right.
Na on person nebusuafo ba ho no. So kita honhom boni ana timpo boni a otimi ye manipa ko no o say ne life.
Wow.
O say life too much so say ebusuafo ntimi mba hopo no abeka asema na abe redeem no. We yino say no.
What say no?
So and you 1 2 ebia na onom no.
Hey.
Just say kakra wo no ogini nyina. Ya na ya esan say se open waware yi a say hu say obema no odabusuam.
Right.
Onko to sa ponchi esi edan so ayobi ne man so kosi ho.
Right.
Say okunu no waye nipa emene wo ware na. Na say hu say obi na esiesie ni na yesa. Ebusua bi eto de bi krampo a ya na enuanom ma big have to forgo their right to education.
Wow.
Say mo family nua be manom mo ma me nua be manom ko na wo wi a no akoduru kru kesiem na wanyu obi ahwa e be say wa be ware na ni nua mba na sacrifice ye no o ma be sra o nua be ma o say mo nua be manada o ma me o sacrifice ye ono o ya say ono so no untie ma ne mehwe no ya na me nwanwa a man in particular yes ade no na I carry on from generation to generation. Wa wo your ba ne wa ware ase a wo yes ano o wo ba be ma wo so ye de be ye wo na ye de ye wa ebe ye wo de
And what their habit be na on mama wa osha a keep marriage no say watch mama was all welcoming. Mama you be on your contentious. My habit be a mummy no over the period mun say my ya abua ware na pa.
trust.
Hey, sawa na abasu.
Trust.
Sam mo je mo hudi.
Ye je ye hudi. E wo sika sem. Very transparent.
Obi afa ni sika ante.
O trust me say sem kite sika me fa komo baby.
Wow.
Me de bo ebusua no ho bra.
Wow.
O nso kite sika on fa komo bia o de bo ebusua no ho bra.
Wow.
So that trust is there. Say onko say sika no.
Wow.
That thing is there. Trust say bia o ko baby na o ni ni di anyhow. Anyhow. Wow. Anyhow. And trust there is very, very important in marriage life. And I think that also be say we respect each other.
Obuo for buo ma
Yes.
ma
We respect each other. Because me to me look down on my wife, and my wife too can never look down on me. Because sen ya otino and then ne aware the type of aware ye ware no utumo say oyo boafo onye bedi wa
obuo ma brabo na koyie
oyo boafo so intino sanye man unya they are very scarce to come by intino de bia no utimi ka wasam kire no woni sika wo ka kire no uko baby a wo ka kire no because woni me say you are one. You are one. In that face, you know, on so catch me say Christianity is a way of life. Christianity is a way. Be okay. Say we so usum Christ. You may be one say we. Or tise be how? So big to me Christonio a dream bonny and yam bonny executive bonny.
Wow.
On Tiasia.
Wow.
No, it shouldn't be. There's only Christoni.
Wow.
A dinner that was also quite sorry about only Christoni.
When you're Christoni.
Yes. Because a Christoni won't mean yes, I man. No, you can't do it. You can't do it. And you know there's any money there. Or there's a no or some J
Peace. Peace.
Oh, will be no or some J rain.
Joe contention. No, I question jeans. No, who be who are mayor? With the we ya. Papa and mama, dear we ya.
Yeah, Mamma can say me sure. The other time, no. You know, I was once the district financial secretary.
Okay.
Presiding elder.
Okay.
Marriage committee chairman.
Okay.
Women's movement patron.
Hey.
District. And I'm saying district building committee chairman.
Wow.
And there was a time, if you a Juma, me quite sorry, if you are sorry, me call mission house for meeting near the end. Me be few now, but 12-1.
Wow.
To me, my wife was awake.
Just say, well, tell me.
We be a gate, mommy.
What?
I drove in. We called them, we could carry. Or say they said that they are some my own didi. But me be lobby man. To me no million no sort to approve no about me abon by or by any matter. Will you believe say I heard in the sleep or then talk to me so?
And what
pie, mammy. Now won't pay we now open it.
Now open day. Now
won't pay about it says open it.
Oh, Mama Dolores. Oh my God, Mama. Me fellow Mama. Oh. Now, Nali.
Yes, sir.
What? That me fancy be a baby eto baby inquiry between one on one. And I be a disagree now and say be who apologizes first and how do you apologize?
If it's my fault, ready to apologize.
Wow.
If it's her fault, ready to apologize.
And ya dey who cry.
Oh, apology. Apology ya dey who cry. Oh, sir, I didn't mean that. Pacho, we dey pacho me.
No. Oh, yeah. What be a honjamu?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, Messi.
That's why we are no.
Yeah.
Monchimu.
Blah.
And I make no down not the actual bad.
Oh. I'm telling you, for almost 38 years, you know, my wife has never done that before.
What?
Never.
All the Tibet by now, all the people who be a tontum.
No way. Oh, yeah. Christianity, I say, it's a way of life.
Now, me Sompa.
Yes. It's a Bible, no, the other way by the Bible now, but a man one who womb kind. That's what says I did no yeah.
And me uncle him that minimum say our mofra bemua.
Yeah.
Don't say challenge kakra bemuni ade.
Yeah.
Mofra me ba me okay about fees. Mummy say mo investment mo ko break na mode. And mofra no did you disagree? How did you raise the children? Tell us a bit.
We had, like I said, still no, is the making of my wife.
Wow.
Sure. Now yet you believe me, Mami Dokono horse at the down.
Yes.
Me ho kran san obabeto ne dan.
Ne dan no.
Ti ye wo me firstborn. No. Your firstborn no. Na mama de no ye de no koma me mama no so tisro.
Right.
NKF overhead ho.
Right.
Ya de no koma no ansana ya fa car e de abadwuma. That could be na kronfo be wi aye. Ti me jefie na ala se minifia na mama nko ofia no suro. So we decided, now my brother better than I, my name is Sister Bakupedo. So we decided, say, baby, yeah, I will find no cookie jano. I think my Mrs. Sada, I met now. So we went and lived with them. So we didn't have problems with the raising of the children. No. My mom and my wife were so close.
So,
on me, mommy is so close. But sometimes, so me than pass over bonkomo. My wife and my mommy. Edam pass. When you have Master Betio, next what you asema, Eda, opposite Obi Betio, Master no friend. My wife.
Me come up.
Yeah.
Me mame just a dabi to go and say kwame. Me even maybes and me can V until autumn of any maybes. I say kwame, why didn't maybes there? Just organism children. One we didn't come more.
Yeah.
My mother's one of my mother's closest friend was my wife. Wow.
So, teacher said, some mofra uhia obi ahwe mofra ne sa ne man. We bought a taxi. Taxi in the year when you the mofra no school. On point na taxi na ko fa wa be fi. O be fi a ma me edware wom. Wa siesie wo. Wa ma wa aduane di. Home teacher be che wan de. Nti on wi a na ye ma ya na no hye dem. Na o kire on Bible quotations. And that's what kire on nwum. Bible mu nwum. And I say o ma mu nyina da.
Okay, Baba, hold on. Obi about line. Hello. Amen. But one I can say. Eh, just I got it. Kasa.
Na mesuro nyame papa na nsusu nyane nika ababwa mu mesuro na akontisemu an ko hu obadi ma no ko ni e bai kasa ampa anje ko sha obani kawa on katete aba te medini abowo a na ko hu kadu obadi wa na yento ampa obwa me ne Yadima me boa by Quentin so then we have on show. The Yadima Balamabra. The Mamma Babo Shua.
Okay.
She had the mission Papa Plato.
Okay.
She had the Ankasa, Miss Yankasa, and the original continuity. The new was and you was on your side and the I said, the first ever to Quanya, I was not in
I got your intent, your mind.
The teacher one said, a baby, I gave for my mammy, not in for hospital. And you know, so they got them to a gallery.
Yaria bone, no jow.
They come a babble instead of criminal.
Ha!
A bravo, I gave all my maybe and clan and you're fasting. Mamma. Wow! You like to show me more by a mamma. May I give for me? 4 days. I mean, I was to back at one.
Well, Jow, oh, Yarim.
Papa, the cow, in Yaman, you carry the Bible.
Ha! Wow! Hi! Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
I never seen Yama sort of to oh, the American. It's a running of push on the way or should done a more chase. What that teaches up? I teach you up. I never one more down.
Oh, Jow.
This is the way one more down.
I that's it. What did I say? Yeah, that's a part. Not as some more come very important. Now, much about come out into the field. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning.
Yeah, if I say now for free.
But I'm really calling South Africa, man.
Tema, a yummy uncle, Tintia.
I'm Mishra by Medima Pamuye. I'm not better. Sompa and the Matiama, Machine and the Prince, and a pair, Yamisha Eda.
That's right.
Now, Diana, your pen is fat, Maso, Diana, Senamokano, I think Canada, Kono, and a Benyabu trade. I have one when I am under the Bapation about Banu Maya, not a Bema, my Daka.
That's right.
That you need Abu Train here. You're sorry, I am the one about not today. Not happy and check now. I don't because we need the kind of this and Buami. The mediation and there's a and Buami, call out me no about our folk. That's one panel. I just call me now. One compound person call me anymore. Or meet him among Colorado. If you know Mukra 3 years ago, what you get them. Wow. Sour lady, no. So come to my over you. Now they watch me. I am a person who are a but I do better than so or back out. So I see, and I had another.
Yamin yeah, that was it. Obi one line too. So hello.
Hello.
Mama.
Hello.
I'm you now for here for saying.
Look at your metakata. It's your head and the power. Yeah, I'm not yelling. I had a then you know, every other opening that happened.
Okay.
If you say, if you have to be where you see. But the buyer and I don't want to say, now my bench here that I'm my young and who are really more at the woman, the woman at the time. They now come up for maybe my wife. My boy, I'm a big guy, my baby, I really more up I'm a big guy, and when me you know, I am when you mean, oh, if they say, the man, I get a boom, and I'm in church preaching. Why am I in country?
Mate, obey my lessons. Obey my lessons. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I saw you coming, my parents did.
Okay.
I always think 1 year, 22 years.
I think I had 21 years. And now I had 21 years.
Yes.
Okay.
Forgiveness. No.
Okay. Nyabo tena kasana yento kasana yabase tina eda sana be my lessons na Moko 22 years, okay.
Yes, it's only on fire and in fact, a year
right.
Amen.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. And that is my idea, because I just said, and that too.
That's very great. For and I'll be a call. I won't say. You know, me to say our way.
Okay.
And you are now, it's your way. I will say, oh, yes,
okay.
A movie I never blessing. You are 34 years.
34 years. Okay.
But now I review my class of 5 years ago.
Why are they?
The minimum say, I didn't say shower.
Good.
It is near Bonibia, me, and I'm here while I am. Yes, okay. And the Emma sir, me call it me, I say, I have to have the mountain. What in your way and I say, and I didn't lay and I was so happy. When you say that, didn't say our way. And you already if you have some sir. I was so one also can.
Intentia.
Maybe 34 years and talk one.
Okay.
Whether in my church, so let me go preach it. I remember you say, hey, you know, boy, she had drafted for 34 years. And the man, she and my mother, no.
Yate.
The moment they say,
that's it.
When you're ready, send me a ready assistant, who don't go with my man.
Yate.
That's all the course of the na bo fa ese ubedi awade success.
Nyame nhyira papa abusuafo yɛpɛsɛ yɛde the next 5 minutes no ma elder na ɔne yɛn ɛka lessons. May I pick a last caller? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, but your elder.
Amen.
No, you're not.
Amen.
Bible said, "I want my book more beyond the truth." And in my apple, and I will come. Ministry and economic day.
Okay.
I want to get it.
Wow.
Yes, my the trap them and it. Maybe one commissioner was maybe
wow.
Just a pan who said to me about not the traffic. The traffic come, they have done it. The IS and we have been on the family.
Okay.
So I have shown the market for lending. And do your buyer, just all your work with the mobile money.
Yeah, that's it, Papa. You.
That's what the man is doing on top. That's one show with you.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
that's it.
Amen. Amen. And Osha calls a bay now, who say, and Crawford Tio, papa, na lessons no, if you figure out mind, dear, and ma our che, dear ma our real betnase. Mammuti is a money ma, papa ya or to hey, me body age or over 70 years. Or over 70 years, who other cast were 60 something years. Me produce a crab on it, say, hey, I don't want what mama here online, oh, yeah. Papa to your 70 years already. But we're 70 years at all call. And in lessons.
You they make catch our worry for say. And no more on baby worrying say. Especially more person on baby worrying.
All right.
Our worry no and yeah a friend is saying I love you as a more.
And you're feeling
cry.
Okay.
It's as though you're bad. Nyame bo say, Brabe your boa for my
right.
Boa for now, Bayan, a juma.
So marriage is work.
It's
not
work.
Okay.
A juma. You cry, and who can know by one on him dressing. Only business here. On him send a ECDD, a Gianni Pie, or a fence.
Moons on John Fana no son.
Fana no ye. On him dressing. Just say, never be blue, how was a deficiency is womb. Our baby boana call.
So, baby boy.
Oh, baby boy. Oh, baby boy.
Wow.
Yes, it be a one any competition.
Okay.
When you be my one who need competition.
Okay.
Our real, your warrior, there's no competition.
It can be any hot.
Where you are in Nifa, the Benkum, and Nifa, so you are Benkum.
Okay.
Send ye beya, Obia Brabono, Ebecosu ye. Namudia boom. Namudia chire Mabusia, Namabia Akosu ye.
Lesson number 2. Montio.
The Mesa Cabio, say, say, ya worry for. It's he who said we should be there for each other.
As a son, there be one, just a be more home.
And don't take your spouse for granted.
And more only on Hokafranim Tia.
When you say, oh, why worry me? Won't you mean Yami to may yet me pay? No. Nyamia Jane, sir. Ebi a ukunu se me mpesa ade we ene na meye. Wo yire se me mpesa ade we ene na meye.
No na meye me na me wow.
Abayo bi wo mu area ho. De bia wo yire be hu na one ne yengina ho. Wo yire na ma ne yesre no. O se sa ade ni jai, o se no ana.
O se no ana na me njai.
Ami ni be bi wo ho a. Yenye. Wow. So person ware wo yire na sumdwe ba. Ana se mo ware na sumdwe ba. Don't take your spouse for granted. Don't take your spouse for granted.
Wow, powerful lesson.
And be there for each other. Yes. Nafi, moya mo boafo.
Monty lesson no.
Now the last but not the last but not the least in said. let us be appreciative. Mama yentimi appreciated ya hoka.
Money so the hoka for a yamau.
Share my wife every 1st January. As I best sorry film pem. No, ya bompa yewi no.
Yeah.
One man be ankan. Nyami shirao.
Wow.
On shira won sa no adwuma so.
Wow.
No ma on koso ma wonyansa.
Wow.
They fed die ni mukan.
Wow.
You see, when your wife
Mama Dolores,
so we same way chirewa.
Just say one more
Wow, nanny. And you are there to do everything for her and the family. So let us be appreciative.
Wow.
Let's be appreciative. You know, ebwa. Wow. Now for your masumbi and tina ifio. Eradi shirai.
Me catch and say, or coffee man is a winning no. More winning no. Many na 30 years. Minimum papa. Minimum fee. Minimum ma by me and nom. I just say, me coffee out me from me. Open it by me in the. Maybe a nyansa one. Maybe hopper. I work with wise people. And confirm. Mwa muni me namfo nyina abohunu se me ntwisu basa me ne anyansa fo na nam ifri se sebi wonyansa ebese mijimi tinie pa wonyansa ebese mijimi and obia wode nyansa wo hye nyansa wode jimi hye nyansa bia de bia obunyansa you are destroying your own ignorance and accepting wisdom tiensem wo kan no wo se eya emu wo hukani enentia. Don't take me for granted. Efe mumbu mo, efe mumbu abuamo, efe mumasunje emra ho. Awarana ko ware no. Wan ko ware say o ye bediwa. Ya say o de okay die. And ya hwe yo na de wonya bia fabra. And so you went into the marriage not to support, but to go there and plunder and pillage. Oko say o ko jimi bia beboa ho. Amboa won nemboa wo chena. 38 years of marriage. The lessons are deep. The wisdom is unchallenged. This is coming from Elder David Okofo Ameni. Na me kacho. Me mawari konande. Me no be bo hamana pai. Wo be sa me na because niam guni timuno. What the 40 years or the 38 years. You know what the one day pay. A few minutes now the issue. And to boy and pambrante one and Maya and I'm a way and I made me failing and I made me failing what the development was say, Tier